asingeneni ku hot topic yethu yanamhlanje lonke lalelani. Hi 326 Express. I am a man, Anemakore 56. I fell sick for a long time and I was in hospital in a coma. I'm grateful for my children and my wife. They did so much for me. However, my family went through a financial dip and they decided to sell our house. Jisine Mukwasha decided to buy the house. But vedare Maria yakatengwa nayo is half the value of my house. In as much as I was glad that they helped out, now it meant my wife and our lastborn were homeless. At the moment tinochengetwa nemwana wangu iyeye nemukwasha ipo pamba apa. Iniwo I'm not even strong enough to work. I am constantly depressed. I'm in and out of hospital constantly. So I approached mukwasha wangu and asked him to pay just enough for the house. Tiwane pekutangira. But his response was, I don't have money anymore to do so. And takato sign agreement of sell na mama. Vedare, I felt duped by my child nemukwasha. Is it proper if I make them pay? Zinozoite here kuti tiendesane ku court ini nemwana nemukwasha. What can I do? Vehama kuchengetwa nemukwasha is not easy for me. Yet I had worked hard for myself and my family. I approached my child as well, in case you're wondering, but she was not hearing it. She dismissed me and said, hatina mari to pay up the rest of the amount. What can I do, Daddy, to go forward? Your message, a hot topic yet namhlanje. So you can send your contributions on 0772 162 651 and let's have a conversation and hear what you think of this hot topic. I see your messages are coming in on the WhatsApp platform 0772 162 651. But before we check out those messages, I will throw it at you, Shewe. What do you think this man should do?
First of all, Mukwasha took advantage of the situation.
Yes.
That's what I'll say. And once a person sees your vulnerability, they have the upper hand in your situation.
Yeah.
So him saying with nemari, I think he's even lying. Maranayo. But because badara anayo. Because if you had the money to buy it at the first time and you knew the value of the house, you took advantage because these guys are desperate. So if I give them $2, they will take that $2 because they need the money. You understand? My question is now, did they sign the contract saying how much the house was supposed to be sold for? Or they signed the contract with the money yakatengwa badara? Because if it's the money yakatengwa badara, they don't have anything to say, because it's in the contract. But if the money that was supposed to be paid was not the one that was paid, he or she can take them to court. Because baroto advantage.
But then is also, I think, if you are listening, you can come through and write to us and let us know. You sent your hot topic and let us know where you stand. The amount that the house was being sold for.
Or he just took advantage of the situation now they're desperate for money.
Yeah.
You understand? Of which that's what I think he did. And mkadzo wacho kutosada nemurume. I think it's the thing she wants to, I don't know if it would say it's the thing she wants to keep the marriage and the love she already has with her husband, the bond, because she feels like if she goes against, I don't know the number going.
Kupi.
You are neimba.
Yeah. So that is you were also saying Asaki, you know what, so this man, he says he fell sick for a long time and he was in hospital. So while he was in hospital because of medical bills, I assume the family went through a financial crisis and the only thing that they had to sell was the house. So the wife